In many industries, chemical exposure is part of the job. And when it comes to protection, not all gloves perform the same. Chemical resistance isn't absolute. It's a matter of time and exposure. Even strong gloves can allow chemicals to pass through eventually, a process known as permeation. That's why understanding nitrile gloves is so important. Nitrile is a synthetic rubber designed to resist oils, solvents, and many industrial chemicals. Compared to latex and vinyl, it offers better durability and stronger protection during chemical handling. But performance depends on more than material. Thickness plays a critical role. Thicker gloves slow down chemical permeation, giving workers more time to react in case of spills or exposure. Nitrile performs well against common substances like fuels, greases, and cleaning agents. However, stronger chemicals, like certain acids or solvents, may require thicker or specialized gloves. Grip also matters. In wet or oily conditions, textured nitrile gloves help maintain control, reducing the risk of spills and accidents. And comfort drives compliance. When gloves fit well and feel natural, workers are more likely to wear them properly. The key is simple: match the glove to the task. Because the right protection doesn't just reduce risk, it prevents it.